Today is my 11th, I think 12th day of intermittent fasting, and my topic today is constipation. We always follow the keto diet, like eating too much protein with the complex carbohydrate, eating a lot of vegetables together, and we think we are going to lose weight fast. But there could be a problem of constipation when we do that, and that's what I'm going to talk today. Actually, the whole problem of constipation comes from this. Apart from that, we will have mood swings, we'll feel bloated, discomfort, headache, dehydrated. If we are not even drinking tons of water, then we won't be able to solve it and we won't feel energized. So a lot of us might be feeling or having this problem. That's why I thought it's time to discuss about it and tell you guys about constipation, how we can solve it. So number one, obviously by drinking lots of water you can solve this problem. And you can put also Himalayan salt because Himalayan salt has magnesium and potassium in it, so minerals are so good to relieve constipation and bloating. Then you can eat. Number two, you can add lots of fruits, but most fruits, some fruits will make you bloated, but most fruits I would just recommend you to have prunes, avocado, apples, and papaya, and pear, and kiwi. All the green green stuff are good for you, and even dates if you think it's a fruit, because it has high magnesium content. And number three, veggies. Not all the veggies will give you speedy weight loss, because some cruciferous, cauliflower, all this, what do you call that, cabbage is okay, cauliflower and broccoli, some of them give you constipation and bloating. So you should stick to more towards the green vegetable, like lettuce, spinach, and all the greeny stuffs, onions, green onions, and stuff like that. They are much better for you, actually. And if you ask me, if you have fermented vegetables or pickles, because they are more, like more easily digested, and besides it has probiotics, so it will reduce your bloating and it's so good for you. So and vegetables, try to have boiled vegetables, instead of raw vegetables. If you are taking all the other vegetables, but still stick to the green vegetables. And number three is the magic ingredients of all. I had a friend, she has a daughter who is a model in New York, and she recommends chia seed. It's the best because all the models in New York use it. So I would recommend you to have chia seed pudding. I myself like to make chia seed soaked chia seed pudding, overnight pudding. It has a lot of omega-3 and a lot of protein and fibers and whatever. It's good for you. You can also make quinoa salad. Quinoa is also good for you. And then number 5, flaxseed. Flaxseed is so good. You just roast it and grind it and put in everything in your porridge, in your oats, and you can put it in a jar and have it for 5 days. Then again you roast it and grind it. Just do it for use it for 5 days, not more than that. It also has high content of magnesium, omega-3, and stuff like that. And number 7, quinoa. I'm going to mention again, quinoa salad is so good for you. Quinoa has a lot of fibers. It is best replacement for rice. Rice will make you constipated, so people will eat brown rice, but I think too much brown rice is not good because it will disturb your stomach flora, gut flora. So it's better to have quinoa. Rice, if you eat in small quantities, is okay, but you don't really have to be so strict, because in intermittent fasting, obviously you can eat everything. And also number 8, if you eat rice or bread and stuff, try to eat some ghee, olive oil or coconut oil, because this together with the Italian way, if you eat like Italian way, it's more digestible. Number 10 is probiotic. Probiotic you can get in yogurts or you can get in tablets. Both are okay, but please consult a doctor before having it. Probiotic yogurt is good for you. I think I would recommend you to have lots of yogurt, Greek yogurt that has probiotic in them, and natural probiotic is found in pickles, so you can have that. And what else? Some people have magnesium tablets. Magnesium tablets is good, but I don't know, not in favor of tablets. I prefer to have natural magnesium. It is found in a lot of things, and especially in dates. And other thing is this saffron. You have magnesium in that. I prefer to have that in a glass of milk. It's good. You put little olive oil to get. Other thing you can do is walking. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, then obviously you will be constipated, or if you eat a large amount, it's better to walk it out or do some sort of activities. Sitting in one place will not help you to digest food faster, and it leads to constipation. Okay, and get enough sleep. Sleep is so important. When you sleep, your body is relaxed and your body will be able to digest the food. Focus on digesting the food. So if you think you can do intermittent fasting and not sleep and not rest and get stressed out, you're not going to lose weight. And you can have a hot bath. You can put Epsom salt. Epsom salt also have magnesium in it. It's good for you. It relaxes your body, your arteries, your blood pressure will go down and digestion will go up. And please moisturize your body after you take bath. Or you can have chamomile tea. Chamomile, I don't know how to spell it. Chamomile tea at bedtime, or any sort of hot water before bedtime. This also will help you in digestion. You can have some kind of tea to relax you, because after dinner it's good to have something, warm water or something like that. It helps. Yesterday I was so bloated, I swear, but today I'm not. And other problem constipation does is, which we don't, it dehydrates your body. This will make your blood thick, right? And that will cause arterial disease and cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure. Constipation will cause you other problems in the long run. It can even cause cancer and other lot of problems. All the thing in the world starts from you. All the disease from the world starts from having a bad tummy. So it's good to keep your gut flora good. If you eat a lot of vegetables and fruits and make them your best friend, probably help in constipation. But some people drink lots of water. That's not the answer. You need magnesium and potassium and the right kind of vegetables and fruits to get your gut flora moving. Even if I eat like chicken and some kind of vegetable, sometimes I get constipation because the fiber, too much fiber will not be digested. You have to eat soluble fiber like oats and stuff like that, simple fibers to digest your food. That's all for today.